We know the reality, and the people know the reality. The hype and gimmickry won't fool them. They know their history. The reality that must be faced is that there's further truth and reconciliation needed to heal our society when it comes to the Manley period. In the 1970s, Michael Manley was trying to build a better Jamaica, a more equal, fair and just Jamaica for all the people. He was especially concerned about the masses who are marginalized and oppressed by a colonial system which the JLP had left untouched after independence. In this period of the 1970s, the government gave the country free education. The PNP under Michael Manley gave Jamaica the National Housing Trust and built thousands of houses for low-income families. The Manley government gave women the right to equal pay and the right to maternity leave. He gave the workers the right to redundancy pay and notice pay. He gave the workers access to an industrial disputes tribunal when their rights were violated. He made everyone lawful, number standard day again, whether their parents were married or not, so they could get their inheritance and step up in a life as equal citizens of this country. Michael Manley was an international champion in the fight against the racist apartheid regime in South Africa and for a better deal for third world countries like Jamaica. He gave the masses of this country a place in this society so that everybody is smaddy, no care where you're born and where you grow. Many professionals and business people are where they are today because Michael Manley pushed open so many doors in the 1970s. From our perspective, in that era, the other leader did his best with the help of outside forces like the CIA to destabilize Michael Manley's efforts. Jamaica paid a heavy price. Many of our people were killed in the resulting political violence. The economy was severely damaged by capital flight, hoarding, and the hostile propaganda of a conservative media. All of that was about turning back progress. Madam Speaker, Michael Manley never lost faith in the Jamaican people. And we on this side will always have faith in the Jamaican people. And we will always have their back. So Minister Clark, I beg you, stop distorting and revising history. I'm sure your own family were beneficiaries of what Michael Manley did for Jamaica.